Hello everyone, today I will show you how to set event reminders in Outlook. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first you want to click on Outlook and then click on the house icon at the top. Click on the setting icon at the bottom left and then click on notification and sounds. Click on calendar and then click on event. So right now it is set to remind me or send me a notification reminder 15 minutes every before the event happen, or you can also set it to none to make sure that it will never send any reminders for any event that you got. And this is how you would set event reminders in Outlook.